What's up, you guys? Ashley here, and today I have a special unboxing. This is from Louis Vuitton. I wanted to get a purse for a while now and I've been saving. Unfortunately, the first time I went to get the purse, I had someone follow me and break into my car and steal it. So it's taken me some time to get that replaced, and it's an unfortunate circumstance. However, I'm not going to let it stop me from the excitement that I have about this beautiful, beautiful bag. So if you're interested in seeing my unboxing, then just keep watching. Okay guys, here it is. This is my beautiful Néonoé monogram bag with black accents, and I'm going to be unboxing it and showing you how beautiful it is and the reasons why I love it. So they were nice enough to overnight this to me at no extra charge, so it was very, very quick shipping, which I really appreciate, and they really didn't have to do, but it was very nice. So it comes in this box, and then I'm assuming this is the receipt. And here is the dust bag. And the reason I love this bag is because it has the beautiful, as you can see, black accents. And for me, clearly leopard, pearls, and black are my thing. So anything with a black accent, I'm obsessed with. I also think that the fact that this is paired with a monogram is simplistic yet brilliant, and just, it goes with everything. I don't know if you've seen my previous videos, but I did do an unboxing as well with the front row tennis shoe, and I think this would be perfect with that as well. So it comes with a drawstring at the front, and then what I love about this is inside, I'm not sure if you can see, but it does come with the monogram pocket in the middle zipper compartment, which separates the two sides from one another, which I think is great. It does come with the little book, and then of course the strap. And I know that there are another one or two options as far as the shoulder strap goes. You can get the thicker monogrammed shoulder strap. I believe on the flip side it does have the black as well, but I like this too, just for something simplistic. And holding it shoulder length, you would snap the closures into place, and you can wear it on your shoulder and it hits right above your waist. Or if you wanted to do crossbody, then again you just unsnap here, which I love, snap closures, again simplistic but brilliant, and you bring it all the way to the top, and then they snap together like that. And then this is more of a crossbody look, which I love, again with the black accent. You can leave it open, so it's more of a big, thick bucket style, or you can cinch it closed, kind of like the Neverfull. It gives it a little bit more of a slim appearance. It's a great, simple, everyday bag, and surprisingly, I was very, very surprised to see accent. You can leave it open, so it's more of a big, thick bucket style, or you can cinch it closed, kind of like the Neverfull. It gives it a little bit more of a slim appearance. It's a great, simple, everyday bag, and surprisingly, I was very, very surprised to see, because no one was more obsessed with ginormous bags you could fit your house into than I was. But I'm really, really surprised at how much fits inside this bag. I have the, again, in the previous video, I unboxed the Noir Black Embossed wallet, and that fits perfectly inside this, as well as the small makeup bag, my sunglasses, keys, any of the essentials, and I still have a ton of room. So very, very surprised by that, because I usually am only an advocate for extra, extra large bags. So this is my beautiful, beautiful new Louis Vuitton purse, which, an unfortunate circumstance, but I still was blessed enough to get another one in return, even though it cost me. I love it. So that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!